Girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my life to you always.
A love like yours is rare. It must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be you and me. Ooh, you're like the sun, chasing all of the rain away. When you come around, you bring brighter days. You're the perfect one for me, and you forever will be, and I will love you so for always.
Come with me.
Buwak. Shout out dito sa akong mga solid followers guys nang adong wala gini kuan guys wala gini hawa bitaw. Ang ninghawa na gamay na atong kuan followers sa Facebook guys kay patas lang kana eh. No comment ta diya ilang po na kagustuhan. Di man ta makabot sa ilang gusto. Nindot kayo diya guys oh. Pero salamat po sa akong kuan subscriber sa YouTube. Iabot ta og 1,038 subscriber. Salamat kayo sa pag-subscribe. Ano? Salamat kayo sa inyong tanan. Nindot kayo diya guys oh. Asa ka kitams, asa ka mangita na oh. Sige guys, mga to guys, mayong hapon guys, kay magagtas-tas na ang atong video. Salamat.